In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in and simplify the process step by step so you can manage your finances with ease. First, start by clicking on Sign In. If you haven't logged into Zoho Books yet, simply head over to their website and find the login button. Once you're there, click on it and this will prompt you to select your preferred login method. In our case, we'll opt for the Google option since it's notably convenient for those who prefer a seamless sign-in experience using their Google account. Once you've clicked on Google, you'll be redirected to choose your account. Simply select the account you want to use with Zoho Books. Now, it's worth mentioning that depending on your internet speed, there might be a slight delay while everything loads. Patience is key here. With access granted, the next step takes us into the core functionality of Zoho Books for bill recording. Navigate over to the Purchases tab. As you're organizing your financials, this tab is your hub for purchase entries. In the Purchases section, you'll see a button labeled Bills. Go ahead and click on it. This section gives you an overview of all bills recorded in the past, as well as an option to create new ones. To enter a new bill, you should next click on the button that says Create a Bill. After this, you'll be prompted to fill in pertinent information. Start by adding the vendor name, the company or individual from whom you've received the bill. This is crucial for tracking who your payables are directed to. Next, fill in the bill number. This number should match exactly with the one provided on the vendor's invoice. Immediately following this, if applicable, provide the order number, which generally ties the bill back to the order it was initially generated from. Accurate entry of these details helps in cross-referencing during audits. Now, if you look further down, you'll see fields for bill date and due date. The bill date is when you receive the bill, and the due date indicates when you need to settle this bill. Be stringent with these to maintain a healthy cash flow. Accompany these with your set payment terms, whether it's due upon receipt in 30 days or any other term you've negotiated. Add a quick note in the subject line for an easy reference point for this bill. A brief description usually works best here, and perhaps most importantly, detail the item details. Each item or service that the bill is for should be listed here along with corresponding amounts. Ensuring accuracy here will save time and prevent confusion down the line. Once everything is in its place, double check your entries and when satisfied, click Save as Open. This action will save the bill in your records as payable yet not paid, helping you effectively manage outstanding payments. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to record bills in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll stay on top of your financial tracking effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more handy tutorials.